take that. I think that's a healthy one, wouldn't you say? Huh? That is a healthy one. Everyone, it's Fishing with Austin here. I'm here on the Withlacoochee River. I'm gonna give this river a go today with my kayak. It's a very small river. It's about 29 miles long, and it is just absolutely full of fish. You can catch bass on one side of the river, then turn around and throw on the other side and catch redfish. There's a multitude of species here. This is a very healthy fish stream, very fun, and I think it's a good time of the year to come here and explore this. So I came here on a low tide, so the tide's going out to the Gulf right now. I'm waiting for this tide to turn around. It should turn around in about 5 or 10 minutes or so. I mean, according to the chart table, but when it turns around, I'm gonna let it carry me all the way up, all the way north, back up in there, and we're gonna fish the creek mouths and all sorts of other things. So we're gonna see what we can catch. I'll take that. I think that's a healthy one, wouldn't you say? Huh? That is a healthy one. Oh my God, look at that pig right there. I didn't get the cast in there, but I got the hook. My God. I'm weighing you, buddy. Oh my God. You are getting weighed. Okay, what do we got? Four and a half pounds. That is a healthy looking 4.5 pounder. I kind of want to cheat and round it off to 5, but what can you do? There he is. Look at that gator. Look at him hanging out. That's awesome. Saw some bait fish jump over there. There's a deep bank over here, so I'm gonna park on the shallow bank and fish the deep bank. See how it pays off. Yep, paid off pretty good. Oh. Oh. Come here. Come here. Come here, boy. Come here, son. Dang, they fight good. God almighty knows. Ooh, hold up, man. Trying to help you. All right. Thanks, buddy. Thanks for the memories. There you go. Get on out of here. So when you're in a shallow creek like this, you want to park on the shallow end on a low tide. Park on the shallow end and fish that deep bend over there. So yeah, it's shallow here and that water whooshes out. Yeah, it's a pretty good analogy. It whooshes out and carves out a deeper channel right there, and it gives the fish coverage, it gives them concealment, and it gives them a great spot to ambush bait fish, much like my spinner bait. See if I can't get another one here. Oh my God, that's the big bass. Oh my goodness, that's not a bad one. That's not a bad one. Come to Papa. He bit my hand. All right, come on. Okay, I'll take that one too, I guess. I mean, he's all right. Got him right in the move. Right in the move of the Ralph. I'll take that one. Where's the scale at? In his mouth, what do we got? 3.7. Take that. All right, everyone, a little on the water recap. I'm having a good day so far. Caught a 3-pounder, no, 4-pounder, it was 3.7. Caught a 5-pounder, it was about 4.5, 4.7. And I caught one about a pound. I've been missing fish, and I'm just having a good day. The tide's starting to come back in, so I'm just gonna ride it in and let it carry me in the river. The tides were a little off today. The tide was not low until about an hour and a half past the time that it said, so that definitely took me by surprise. I was a little worried, but everything turned out fine. I'm catching good fish. I'm here in this creek. I'm parked on a stump. I'm just over here listening to some Brooks and Dunn, eating beef jerky and drinking tea, so that's my view right now. It's a nice day outside, so I'm gonna keep on fishing. Stay tuned. Got him. Ain't very big, but I'll take him. Get on up here, Sonny. Quit. Quit. Thank you. See? See what happens when you cooperate? Jesus. Getting me wet. Here, Junior. There we go. That one ain't bad either. Okay. Okay. Get on over here, boy. Alright, well that saves me the trouble of grabbing a fish. Keep this up, I'm gonna run out of fish. Man, if they see this thing, they're gonna hit it just like that. That's not a bad one. And he's gone. Make an adjustment here. Well, there's not really any adjustment to make. My hook looks just fine. It's not bent too far in. Got him. Quit flopping. God, he swallowed it. Back up, back up, back up. I don't want no snakes. Quit shaking your mouth. Quit shaking. And don't you jump. That's how you want them to eat it right there. Look at that. All the way in the back almost. Kind of need pliers to get this thing out. There you go, man. Right in the throat. Perfect. Perfect cast made by Austin. And then there's a perfect fish and it's a giant mudfish. So not really your perfect fish. Not really your perfect fish. And he's freaking out. All right. Well, that's a big one. He's gonna destroy my lure and everything. Chill out, buddy. That is why I don't like mudfish right there. That's about all they're good for, is doing that. So I think that spinnerbait's done. He made it look like an inline spinner now, look at that. Might as well be a snack of Sally. Hey, another one of them days. Let's get back to the ramp and have a recap on how today's fishing trip went. I think it went awesome, to be honest. I think this was an amazing fishing experience and definitely a good day for fishing.